garden photojournalist Debra Baldwin, author of 3 books about succulents and using them in pots, gardens, and landscapes. In this video featuring the San Diego Cactus and Succulent Society, we'll go behind the scenes at a show, observe some of the judging, get tips on what makes plants winners, and find out why a judge would exclaim, "Oh no!"
Oh no!
Best novice cactus, best intermediate cactus, best open advanced cactus. And then there's a best overall award, right?
Yep. Will be this one.
And then these are like president, show chair, and other people.
According to San Diego Cactus and Succulent Society member and volunteer Rick Bjorklund, who helps expedite show judging, seeing the same plant and habitat is far different than seeing it groomed for a show. They don't look the same, he says, yet each are perfect in their respective environments. He compares it to a kind of travelogue, since cacti and succulents come from so many countries and different regions of the world. Tell me about this one. Serigii Humbertii.
Madagascar.
I desperately want to touch it. It's okay. Oh, it's so cool.
Adromiscus, one of my favorite categories of plants. So this one is lime drops. This is Othona armiana, and it's...
what makes it special? Is
well,
that a
look
caudex?
at that. Yeah.
Rick adds that people who have yet to enter a plant in a show may have quite a bit of anxiety and reluctance to take the plunge and enter their first plant. It's fun. There's nothing to fear, he says, and making mistakes is part of the learning process. The bottom line is to realize that everyone who participates does it out of a shared passion for succulents, rather than achieving perfection. The show is a way to celebrate succulents and cacti, and by attending a show, folks can learn much more about the plants. Not only will you see a wide variety of rare species, you'll also see popular ones such as aloes and agaves, plus colorful variegates and unusual forms such as crests and monstros. Rick adds that anyone who would like to know more about the show process can participate by volunteering to be one of the clerks who assists the judges. Judges expect a succulent to be groomed nicely, with dead leaves removed and soil concealed by top dressing. Depending on the show, even if you're merely a visitor, you may be able to listen in on the judges' comments.
Here we go.
Okay, so beginners. Where are the beginners?
These two? I think I'd
still go with
1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh no!
all the plastic ones.
Yeah.
I like to see show plants in pots that enhance them like the frame of a painting. Art potters who sell at shows offer containers with textures and glazes tailor-made to showcase the plants they contain. However, as Rick notes, one of our best cactus growers enters plants in plastic, and they take top awards.
It's a little over the top.
Yeah, I don't know about the staging. Really?
Over the top.
You like it? You like it? So we have these 6, right?
These 6.
It's kind of a cool pot.
I like it.
But it doesn't throw me. It's got too many dead tips. Okay, 1, 2.
This has got to get a prize just for the hell of it.
Well, yeah, without question.
Can we break this up to 1, 2, 3? And
Don has a really clever way of getting ribbons. Your secret is to pick a category. You figure nobody else is going to enter.
That's the key. The key is the category where no one's there.
Why did you think nobody was going to enter Senecio?
That was just a guess.
There's likely a show in your area, especially if you live in California from the Bay Area south. Most take place in the warmer months, and larger affiliate clubs may host 2 shows a year. San Diego's winter show is typically the 2nd Saturday in February, and their larger summer show the first weekend in June in historic Casa del Prado in Balboa Park. Find more information, plus a gallery of blue ribbon winners, on the corresponding page of DebraLeeBaldwin.com. Please let me know if you found this video helpful and ask questions if you like. My goal is to inspire you to enjoy using succulents in fun and creative ways in your own garden and outdoor living spaces. Do subscribe to my channel, enjoy my many other videos, and visit my ad-free site for extensive illustrated info on every aspect of succulents. I'm Debra Baldwin. Thank you for joining me.